Okay guys, so here's a little PSA for you Dakota owners. That part number right there does not fit all 2000 Dodge Dakota four-wheel drives. It doesn't matter what the company's selling them to you, guarantees do not fit. And what I'm learning is apparently in November of 2000, Dodge changed the location of the retainer ring groove. Now, can you see that one? Do you see that one? So, here's what happens if you try to install that. It goes part way on, and then the damn thing locks in place. Won't go any further on, doesn't want to come back off. Yeah,